This is Thruvika and welcome to my YouTube channel Bookishly Thruvi. This is my first video, so I'm a little bit nervous. You can guess what this channel is going to be about by its name, and if you don't, so let me just tell you, this is going to be about three things, and these are books, books and books. So I'm a huge book nerd. I love reading books and talking about them. So I thought, why shouldn't I join BookTube community? Well, I'm a part of Bookstagram community for like a year or so, and I love it there. But I don't get to talk about books there, like really talk about them. So yeah, I'm here. So a lot of people ask me to make videos in Hindi, cause you can read books in English, but the explanation you will want are going to be in Hindi. What you can look forward to on my channel is review, recommendations, reading blogs, monthly book hauls, monthly book wrap-ups, and just books. Okay, my favorite genre or the only genre I read is contemporary romance fiction. I'm a hopeless romantic. I can't do anything about it. So what this particular video is going to be about? This is going to be about the books that are stuck to my TBR like forever. I was challenged on Bookstagram to show the books that are stuck to my TBR. Okay, so what is TBR? TBR means to be read, like the books I want to read, but the books that I'm going to show you are stuck in my TBR like 4A version, because I have a huge problem of buying new books and reading them, forgetting that I own other books that I have to read, and those are just kept aside on my shelf, waiting that one day I will pick them. Okay, so the first book is going to be P.S. I Love You by Cecilia Ahern. Don't ask me why it's kept on TBR since forever, but I don't know why I just don't read this book. I heard about it and then it was on a steal deal, so just bought it. The next is going to be about Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. It's a thriller. Okay, it's a thriller, and I never read a thriller before, so maybe that's the reason I can't get around reading this. I want to read this soon, but I don't know. I just buy books and then start reading those, forgetting about these books that I already bought. That's a serious problem with me, I think. Okay, whatever. Next book is going to be Me Before You by Jojo Moyes. I bought this book because I wanted to watch the movie. I watched a video of a booktuber comparing the book and movie, so I bought this. Okay, it's the sequel to Me Before You. I also bought it from a steal deal. I had to buy the Still Me because that was not on a steal deal. I think when I buy Still Me, then only I am going to read these books, cause I can't read a series without having all the books on my shelf. Okay, that's also another problem with me. The 1+1, I bought it last year and I don't know why I don't read this. I just don't know. Also, I buy books without reading the blurbs and without knowing the story. I just saw them on steal deals and on Bookstagram. I like them. I like the pictures of them, and then I just buy. And that's also a problem with me. I have a lot of problems, I think. But yeah. Okay, so next is going to be a series. I don't know. why I don't read them. The single reason I bought new books and then started reading them and forgot about these. Okay, the selection series. I bought these in April this year, and because these were hyped on Bookstagram, like I get to see these on each and every Bookstagrammer's account. I don't know why these are hyped this much, but I just wanted to give them a try. I just bought them and kept them on my shelf, and then forget about these. Okay, now I got this classic set in February or March this year. I don't know why I kept them on my bookshelf. I never read a classic before. Well, know about Pride and Prejudice. Everyone knows, but I have to read it soon. I hope that I will read them soon, and it's going to be sad with Pride and Prejudice. Okay, so the next one is going to be a duology. Okay, now these are going to be fantasy. I only read one fantasy series, like once. Don't judge me, I never read Harry Potter. I don't know why. I read the Folk of the Air series this year, and I am just obsessed with it. I am living in the world of Elfin, and I think I don't want to travel to another fantasy world, so that's why I think I'm not reading a fantasy novel soon. But okay, these duology, Six of Crows duologies is stuck on my TBR. I bought them in Steel Deal. I can't come around to buy Shadow and Bone trilogy. I just can't came around to buy them. I want to buy them, but then I just think like I can buy other books. I'm not like romance books, not the fantasies. So I can't read these until I read Shadow and Bone. So these are kept on my TBR for like months, and then I'm not going to read this soon, like really soon. I know, but I'm not going to read this soon. Okay, the other one is going to be House of Earth and Blood by Sarah J. Maas. Well, I already told you why I am not reading fantasy soon, because I am stuck and I'm living in the world of Elfin, and I don't want to travel to other world. So yeah, and also I never read a book this thick before, so I'm a little nervous about reading this. Okay, so it's going to be stuck to my TBR for a little while. Okay, the last is a trilogy, fantasy trilogy. I didn't read it because I was waiting for the third one, God and Monsters. Well, I ordered it a few days before, so I hope that it will arrive soon and I will read these in the coming month. Well, I had given spoilers to myself already, and I just can't wait to binge read this whole series. There are more than 20 books that are stuck to my TBR like forever. This is going to be for this video. I'm not sure what the next video is going to be about. Maybe a book haul or a book review. Until then, see ya, take care, stay hydrated, and bye bye.